Xiaomi launches Redmi xiaoai speaker play, Redmi router AC2100. Xiaomi's Redmi sub-brand today lifted the covers from the Redmi K30 and the Redmi Book 13 laptop at an event in China. In addition to it, the company also launched its first smart speaker, dubbed the Redmi xiaoai speaker play, as well as a Wi-Fi router that goes by the name Redmi router AC2100. The Redmi xiaoai speaker play comes with in-house voice recognition technology and features a 350cc sound cavity. The Redmi router AC2100, on the other hand, is the first Redmi-branded Wi-Fi router and features 6 omnidirectional high-gain antennas and an equal number of high-performance signal amplifiers. Redmi xiaoai speaker play, Redmi router AC2100 price and availability. The Redmi xiaoai speaker play smart speaker will go up for pre-order later today and is priced at 79 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 800, while its first sale will be conducted on December 12. It comes in 4 colors: blue, green, pink, and white. On the other hand, the Redmi router AC2100 carries a price tag of 169 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 1,700, and is now up for pre-order in China. Its first sale will kick off on December 12. There is no word on the availability of these two Redmi-branded products in other markets, including India. Redmi xiaoai speaker play. Starting with the Redmi xiaoai speaker play, it packs a 5W speaker and has a dotted mesh design with 5 LEDs at the top. It features a 350cc sound cavity and runs the 3rd generation in-house xiaoai virtual assistant that now offers users a choice between a male and female voice. It supports over 1,400 skills and can be used to control a wide range of smart home appliances offered by Xiaomi, Philips, and a host of other brands. As mentioned above, it comes with a self-developed voice print recognition technology that can learn to recognize voices and gets better over time in terms of recognition accuracy and overall efficiency. Redmi router AC2100. The Redmi router AC2100 is the first Redmi-branded Wi-Fi router in Xiaomi's smart home portfolio and offers dual-band 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz support. It can connect with up to 128 devices and is claimed to provide a connectivity speed of over 2 gigabits per second. The IPv6-supported Wi-Fi router features 6 omnidirectional high-gain antennas and 6 high-performance signal amplifiers to provide better network coverage. The Redmi Wi-Fi router is powered by a dual-core processor clocked at 880 MHz and can connect with Xiaomi's smart home appliances via the Mi Home app without any authentication requirement. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.